Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful pattern titled Ring Web, and it appears so simple but it has certain tricks and tips needed to work this pattern. So let's go into the video immediately and learn how to make this ring web. Chain 10, slip stitch to the first chain and form a ring. In the ring we need to place first a treble. So you chain 4 or chain 6 and begin, because the treble and chain 2 spaces are required. Otherwise, pull up to the height of a treble, twist, pick up the yarn, insert the hook, pull up the loop from inside the loop here one time, pull up again, yarn over, pull through the first loop and take this behind this. And here we have the height of a treble crochet done. Chain 2, chain 2 treble, chain 2 treble 11 more times. Complete 11 more times and get back. So let me do once. So chain 2 treble, totally we need 12 trebles with 12 chain 2 spaces. So I shall complete and get back. We've come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch to the very first treble, chain 2 and slip stitch. And to begin the next round, chain 4. Chain 4 is considered as a treble, or you can make the treble the standing treble too. And in the next, place 3 trebles. And place a treble on the next treble. Sorry, I have to wrap it twice. So every chain 2 space will have 3 trebles, and every treble will have a treble on it. Complete the round in this manner. I shall meet you where I began my first treble. We've come to the end of this round here. Now slip stitch to the fourth chain from fourth chain of first 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and underneath this you need to slip stitch. Pick up the yarn from under both the loops here. Now we need to make a treble and chain 5. Instead we can make chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, because place a stitch marker in the fourth. We'll have to come and slip stitch here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip the next 2 trebles and place a treble in the next. Chain 5. Chain 5, skip 2 treble, chain 5, skip 2 treble. This is the stitch repeat. Complete that. Skip 2 and a treble. So continue this all around. I shall meet you at the end of the round. I've come to the end of the round here. Now this is the last chain 5, slip stitch to this fourth chain from the fourth chain of 9 chains. So I'm inserting a smaller hook because we have to insert under the top 2 loops of the chain 4, fourth chain. So underneath you have that bump. So leave it. Pick up this yarn and pull it through. And slip stitch. So use a smaller hook if the loop is tight. Now the real task begins. So chain 4 considered as a treble. Again place the stitch marker under these 2 loops, easy to identify when we come back. And we are not simply working in the chain, but we are under the chain space, but we are working on each of these chains. Place 1 treble in each of them, each chain. Sorry, I need to wind it twice. In each chain we have to work not under the chain space. And then place a treble on the treble. So this is the stitch repeat for this round. So there will be a treble on treble and 1 treble each on each of the 5 chains that we did. Continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you at the end of the round. So I have completed the stitches for the round. Last stitch is done. Now I need to slip stitch to the 4th chain of first chain 4. Remove the stitch marker and slip stitch. Now for the next round we start with chain 12. Chain 12 is 1 treble and 8 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Place a stitch marker in the 4th chain. It's easy to identify when we come back. Then chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and place a treble on the treble. Skip 5 trebles and place a treble on this treble here. Chain 8, treble, skip 5 trebles, treble on treble. So totally 16 times we will be having 16 trebles we'll have at the end of this round. So complete the stitches and get back. I shall also complete and get back. We've come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch to this 4th chain and fasten off. And fasten off. So here we have completed the ring web ring or ring web. It's a beautiful pattern. It works great for decorative coasters, so on and so forth. Hope you like this pattern, friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. But if you happen to be the first time viewer for this channel, please do subscribe to this channel, Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share the videos too. Bye friends. Have a great day.